Today we are looking at how do we demonstrate a spindle box to children in our preschool. First and foremost, we start with a 0 to 4. Or if you have a whole box of 0 to 9, you can do that as well. Ideally, we go with the step-by-step 0 to 4 and then the next box of 5 to 9 is introduced. I will demonstrate to you the basic 0 to 4 box. The same method continues for 5 to 9. So as you see this box, you will be having the child seated beside you and the box is usually facing you so that you can see all the numbers and read and pick up and put these spindles. As we do this, I will be sharing with you the tips and tricks. First and foremost, place it right in front of you as if your child is sitting beside, the children are sitting beside you so that you can see the numbers. Gradually, slowly start picking up one spindle at a time from every block and place it outside. You will use your pincer grip, push the spindle towards the block end, the number where the number is, and slowly pick it up without making noise. Once you have put out all of these, now you can start by placing the spindles as per the number value. And the whole idea of introducing a spindle box is using this to introduce the concept of zero, which is often a very dicey concept or a difficult concept for children to take in at the early age group. So when you have zero, zero has nothing. So we don't place a spindle. Now this is 1. So we place one spindle. We hold it with our pincer grip and we push it gently towards the corner and then leave the spindle here. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is 3 and here we are placing 3 spindles. 1, 2, 3. Make as much less noise as you can. They are not supposed to be rattling or making noise. This is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm holding this for you at an angle so that you can see it. It's ideally just kept in front of you and you keep placing the spindles one by one while the children beside you can see them. And this is how you present your number value association, concept of zero, and the numeral to counting. Cardinality can be taught with this. Also sets a very beautiful one-to-one correspondence example for children in the early age groups. And this is called Spindle Box, one of the very interesting and useful Montessori material that can be helpful for teaching concepts or math readiness in early childhood classrooms. So for more details, keep watching us, subscribe and follow us.